Hello viewers, today we're going to make Boysenberry Chocolate Brownie. It is a eggless and vegan recipe and it can be made either in microwave or in the oven. So let's begin by draining the boysenberry. I bought a cane of boysenberry and I drained it all well, and all the syrup which was obtained after draining the boysenberry, I microwaved it until it became 1/3 in the microwave, and then later on I I lined my container, the glass bowl in which I was going to make my cake, with a baking paper. Is readily available, and then I greased it quite well with the brush, or you can do it with your hand, up to you, but it should be greased well. And then after that, I mixed the flour with the baking powder. The quantity of the flour and baking powder is given in the list. And then after that, I've whisked it well, mixed it well, and kept it aside. And I then added cocoa, sugar, and oil in a bowl and heated it for about 1 minute in microwave too, so that sugar melts and it can be mixed well, stirred well, and after cooling it down a little bit, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence at this stage. I then mixed it well. The cocoa mix was then added to the flour mix, and then it was stirred well to mix well, along with, obviously with a whisk once again. Mixture was then poured back into the lined container in which the brownie was to be cooked in the microwave. After pouring it, I then very carefully placed all the boysenberry at a gap, and to allow them to sink down on their own before keeping them in the microwave. I then microwave the brownie in the microwave at a medium heat for 12 to 15 minutes. You can check in between if you want to whether it's done or not with a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, that means it's all done. And the syrup was you can also keep it in the oven, by the way, if you want to, at 180 degrees centigrade for half an hour, but I chose to do it in the microwave. You can serve the cake with the syrup which I cooked in the microwave, and the brownie looked yummy. And you can either have it without the syrup or with the syrup. It goes really well with the syrup, and the syrup was already cooked in the beginning of the video. Thank you for allowing me to show you how to cook brownie. Hope you like it. Kindly share the channel with others and subscribe to motivate me and my kids. Thank you so much. Have a good day.